In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count total number of selected emails in Outlook. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook and hit Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook site to launch the Outlook web app. Once it opens, go to your inbox. If you're asked to sign in, do that so you can see your messages, and make sure you're in the folder where you want to count, like Inbox, Archive, or any other folder you use. Now look at your message list. On the left side of each email row, there's a small checkbox. Click the checkbox next to any email you want to include. Each click adds that message to your selection. You can build up your selection one by one, and if you change your mind about any message, just click its checkbox again to deselect it. There are a couple of helpful ways to select efficiently. To grab a continuous range, click the first checkbox, hold Shift, and then click the last one in the range. Everything in between is included. If you're picking messages that aren't next to each other, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking individual checkboxes. This lets you fine-tune exactly what's included without losing your earlier picks. As you select emails, keep an eye on the right side of the interface. Outlook shows a live counter of how many items you've selected. You'll see a label such as 3 selected, and that number updates instantly every time you add or remove a message. Depending on your layout and window size, the indicator can appear toward the right side of the toolbar above the message list or along the action bar beside the reading pane, but it will be visible whenever messages are selected. This live total is especially useful before you run bulk actions, like deleting, moving, categorizing, or marking items as read. It gives you a quick confirmation that you're working with the exact number you expected. If you don't need the selection anymore, click an empty area in the message list or open a message. The selection will clear, and the counter will disappear. A quick note on behavior. The count reflects exactly what is selected in the current view. If you switch folders or change sorting, your selection will reset. That's normal and helps prevent accidental bulk changes in the wrong place. And that's it. Open Outlook from a Google search, head to your inbox, use the small checkboxes to select the emails you want, and watch the running total on the right side as you go. With this simple method, you'll always know precisely how many emails you've selected.